by clicking on the select file option. And after the leave balances are uploaded, you can look at the leave logs. Leave logs will display the employees who have applied for a leave, and also the employees who have applied for a leave in the past. You can see the entire list. You can export that as well. In this case, as you can see, there's this employee Anil Sharma who's applied for a leave for 27th August 2024. If I want to approve it, I can simply click on approve, and this approves the leave request and sends a notification to him. And if I want to reject it, it will ask me to enter the reason for rejection. So I'm adding a reason. I added the reason for rejection and I'm rejecting this leave. So this sends out a notification to my employee about the leave rejection with the reason. So this is how you approve and reject the leave requests. You can even do it in bulk by selecting all employee. You can simply hit the bulk approve button. This bulk approves the leaves